What's up, guys? So today's video is, you see, starting with a lot of bunkers are here. Trying for some snapper and porgy. Let's see if my luck has some fish or not today. Finger crossed. I'm trying for snapper, and this 2-rod has porgy. Nice weather right now. Let's try some bait fish. Nothing. Try. Let's try one more time. Something is there. Definitely a horseshoe crab. Let's see. Man, it's really heavy. It's really heavy. I don't know. Oh, horseshoe crab. I knew that. This guy is always here.
He's little. The one I had yesterday was this big.
Ah, it looks like 20-pound striped bass.
Yeah, it feels like it.
Who wanna eat it, man? Who wanna eat it?
This guy seriously just crossing. Nice soup.
Who wanna eat it? Soup? No soup? Pup? How I'm gonna take it out? That's the main thing. Something was there. Something was there.
Yeah, a bunch of little peanuts. Perfect sized. You gotta be jigging that, man.
Yeah, that's true.
They're gonna hit you, and then as soon as you pull it, they're gonna pull away.
There's one of those over here that just hit it.
Looks like he got something.
I haven't seen no porgies here.
Porgy, yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, porgy, yeah. That's even like 4 or 5 inch. Yeah, that's 5 inch only. It has to be 10 inch.
That's why he put it back. Oh, she got one.
What do you got?
You let go? They're not staying on the hook. Oh, you got him back on.
You got it?
Hold this.
Fluke? Wow, zero, man. Crazy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. What a big horseshoe crab. That's the biggest one I see here. Wow. That's a huge one. Let me pull up my line. I don't want to get in touch with that. What I got? What I got? I got something. I got something. Oh, your line? Oh man. I got your line, man. I got your line. All right, guys. So last couple of times, let me throw this. I can't see any like schools there, but trying. Nothing is there so far. I'll throw a couple of times to get some bait.
Salto espera.
6 feet jal only. Guys, so I didn't catch anything today. It's a 0 day for me, and I'm very surprised over here. This is my like a very good spot for fishing, and I didn't caught anything. And I even try with my casting net to get some bait fish, but nothing so far. Nothing. No porgies are there. I got a horseshoe crab, and I saw people like other people got like 1 or 2 small, like 5 or 6 inch porgy, and maybe one like sea robin. So this is like a dead day for me, and 0 day in the summertime. So if you guys like my video, please give me a like, share and comments, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See you next video.